There's a traditional numbering system in accounting where all the 1,000 numbers are your assets, like your bank account. Your 4,000s are all of your fixed assets. So you can use a numbering system. What the numbering system allows you to do is some people think better in numbers than in words. If you have multiple company files, it might be helpful to always have the main operating checking account being account 1,000. And especially if you're a bookkeeper working with lots and lots of different clients, this allows you to create a consistency between all of your files. So you always know that the operating checking is 1,000 and your prepaid expenses is always the same number. And so that way you don't have to think about what it's called in each individual file. You can just start typing in the number for the thing you know you need, and then that speeds you up.